What is going on, YouTube? I'm Mike with Pinner Investments, and today I'm going to be talking about my day trading strategy that I'm using with the QQQ. Be sure to hit the like button, share this video so that others may learn as well, and be sure to subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on future content. Well, like I've been talking about the trading around the QQQ, I've been trading two leveraged ETFs. One is the TQQQ, which invests in options and returns 3x what the QQQ does. So if the QQQ or the Qs are up 2% for the day, the TQQQ is going to be up 6%. And vice versa, if the QQQ is down for the day, the SQQQ is inverse and shorts the QQQ. So if the QQQ, the Qs are down 2%, the SQQQ is going to be up 6%. So that's how I determine by watching the Qs which direction the market is going, and then once I've decided the direction, that'll determine whether the strategy is going to be used using the TQs or the SQs for the day. Well, let's go ahead and dive right on in. Alrighty, here's my trading platform that I've got set up for the day. I'll go ahead and zoom in and look at this last trade. Let's see, what time do we got here? Slide it over just a little bit. Around 1 o'clock, I got into this trade with the TQQ just a little bit before 1 o'clock as we were having this move. Let's take a little bit better look at this. Let's zoom in here for you. Yep, right as we were starting to get this bullish move here, couple of the moving averages I've got set up. I've got an exponential moving average, 8 period, that's my green line. Then I got a simple moving average, which is my red line, 21 period. As soon as the green crossed over the red, I was watching to see when the next candlestick closed above the line, not touching the line, signaling the crossover is bullish move, and seeing the candlestick close above the 8-period moving average is a bullish move as well. Then we can come down here and look at the MACD. We can see that it's trending upward as well. And then we can see here, right as I got into the trade, we see the volume started to increase, which is another bullish point to keep an eye on here, as increasing volume, the price moving up with the increasing volume. We want to see that correlation. Be a little concerned if I see the price going up and the volume declining. And this kind of solidifies our thought process that the market is moving up, or the stock is moving up as the volume increases. The moving average is moving up. The candlesticks are starting to close above the moving average. And then the longer period moving average is starting to trend upward as well. And then the MACD is trending upward. So I'm starting to have, at least 3 to 4 different indicators here showing an uptrend. So I entered this trade here at the 22-27 mark here. And then as soon as I enter a trade, I immediately set my stop loss 1% below where I got in. So if the stock was 22.27, just some quick math, a $22 stock, 22 cents is 1% of 22. So I put my stop loss right just above $22. That way, if I'm wrong on the direction, I only lose 1%. I was trading just over $25,000 on this trade. I was buying 1,500 shares. And then as the trade started working out in my favor, the thing I'm looking to do as soon as I can is get my stop loss moved up to the strike price that I got into the stock. That way, the worst case scenario is that I just didn't make any money, but I don't lose any money either in case the stock changes direction and it's not working out the way I want it to. But in this particular case, it kept moving up. I was able to continually move my stop loss up. And then we're just sitting here watching the price action. And the key is not to move the stop loss up too fast, because then there's going to be a couple of little pullbacks, traded sideways, and then took right back off, moving upward. Let's zoom back out here. Take a look at the 5-day. 5-minute chart, that takes a whole lot of the direction you get out of the 1 minute. It's a little cleaner look with the 5-day, 5-minute chart here. It looks like here at the end of the day we're starting to move back down. Glad I got out of the 22.80 price, but anyway, come back over to today. Let me pull it. There we go. All right, here we'll zoom in. There we go. Let's see, what time was that? 2:48. Yep, right over here. Right about here is where I got out. Here. I just go ahead and bump my stop loss up to 22.80. I weren't sure if we're going to have a whole lot more moving up, but if it came back anymore, I wanted to at least lock in that profit, and this gave me $795 for this trade here, which was 53 cents a share, trading 1,500 shares, which was a 2.4% gain. Just start out the day looking at the QQQ, determining what the direction is by, I like looking at the 5-minute candlesticks, where it's pretty easy here to see that the direction of today was up all day. I'll zoom back out here, and we can see yesterday when the CPI data came out, but when you see the last 2 days, it's pretty obvious. It's a nice 45-degree angle trending up. And then we can look at today, and it's been trending up pretty much all day today. Coming back over to today's chart, and like I said, as soon as I saw that crossover just after lunchtime, look for a cross on the moving average. When it crosses upwards, it's a bullish trend, and I want to try and trade with the trend of the day, which was up all day. So occasionally you'll get some pullbacks in there. But looking at the 1-minute chart, you'll see a whole lot more crossovers there. That's why it makes it a little cleaner to look at the 5-minute chart. But anyway, I rode this all the way up to the 22.80 and got stopped out as I'd set my stop loss there, which guaranteed me a $795 profit off this trade. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this today. And as always, drop a comment in the comment box if there's anything you'd like for me to discuss in a future video. And thanks for watching, and good luck trading.